Salamu alaikum. Hey everyone. Looking to design a professional logo without spending a dime? In this video, we're counting down the top 3 free logo design apps you should try. Whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or just experimenting with branding, these tools will help you craft a stunning logo with ease. Let's get started. Number 1, Canva. First up, we have Canva, a popular and user-friendly design tool that makes logo creation super simple. Tons of templates. Canva offers a vast collection of customizable logo templates for various industries. Drag and drop simplicity? No design skills? No problem. Canva's easy-to-use interface lets you tweak colors, fonts, and icons effortlessly. Free elements and AI assistance. The free version includes plenty of graphics, and you can even use AI-powered design suggestions for a polished look. Number 2. Next on the list is Luca, a logo maker that uses AI to generate stunning logo designs in seconds. AI-powered creativity. Simply enter your business name and style preferences, and Luca generates logo options tailored to your brand. Professional-looking designs. The logos Luca creates have a sleek, high-quality look, perfect for businesses and influencers. Customization made easy. While Luca offers paid downloads, you can tweak and preview logo ideas for free before deciding. Number 3, logomaker.com. Last but not least, we have logomaker.com, a straightforward and fast online logo creator. Quick and simple process. Choose from over 10,000 icons and customize your logo in just a few clicks. Beginner-friendly, no design experience needed. Just pick a style, add text, and adjust colors. Free downloads with limitations. You can download a basic logo for free or upgrade for high-resolution files. And there you have it. 3 amazing free logo design apps you should try today. Which one do you think is the best? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more design tips and tricks. See you in the next video.